Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is by Wiggins Hair, one of my favorite hair companies ever. So today I am installing this really pretty loose deep wave curly wig, and this is 26 inches and it is a 5x5 closure. So the first thing I do is I'm just trying it on, making sure it fits, and then I just go ahead and I'm gonna apply this wig with my Got2b freeze spray. I do 2 layers of this freeze spray. So this is the first layer, and then I let it kind of air dry, and then I go in and I add another layer. Then I just go in and I apply the lace into the freeze spray right at the edge of the freeze spray. And then I just take a comb to really try and lay it and flatten it as much as possible. Now I'm just pulling out my desired baby hairs. However you like to do your baby hairs, girl, you do your baby hairs how you want to do them. So this is how I do mine. I just pull out a little bit. I like my baby hairs to have a little thickness. Like, I don't want them to be too thin, but I want them to be pretty noticeable. So I'm doing a good amount of baby hairs on both sides. And now I'm just cutting them with this eyebrow razor at a slanted angle. And to lay my baby hairs, if you're new to my channel, then I use olive oil fixie spray to lay my baby hairs. I am going to show it later in this video somewhere. I don't know why I cut it off, but eventually in the video I'm going to show y'all how it look. It comes in like a green container, and then I just spray it on like this edge comb, edge brush, and this is how I lay my baby hairs and do them how I want to do them. So now I'm just taking this little edge comb and I'm adding some of that Got2b freeze spray on it, and I'm just brushing my edges back, and then I go in with a hot comb to really lay them and slick them down. So now I'm just going in with this elastic band to get everything super duper laid. This is so much better than using a scarf. I'm trying to tell y'all. I let it sit for about 15 minutes and everything just comes out flawless. So now I'm just going in with my Andis hot comb, and I'm using it on the hottest setting and trying to get everything super flat. And after this I go in with this wax stick, and wax sticks are so good at really getting a flat install. So I use this wax stick and then I go back in with a hot comb. I wasn't using wax sticks at first, but they just make everything better. So if you don't have a wax stick, get a wax stick, sis. So like I said, this is loose deep wave hair, and it's not as defined, well, not defined, it's not as tight curls as regular deep wave hair. It is a little looser and on the wavy side. So when it comes to trying to really define it, I try not to add too much water or too much mousse, because I wanted it to still stay fluffy and not just completely defined like I would with regular deep wave curly hair. So I added a little bit of water and just a little bit of mousse to this. You don't have to do too much, just a little bit goes a long way. Now I'm taking a little bit of makeup and I'm adding it to my lace to make it better match with my skin tone. This is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Coconut. This is the shade that I will use on my actual face. So I'm just blending it, making it look more so like my skin color. And I really love my parts to be very straight. I love a bust down middle part. I just love it so much. So I'm taking some mascara and I'm just adding it a little bit to the knots because it's not over bleached, but it just helped it to make the part look a little bit straighter. And then after I do that, I go in with this angled brush and a little bit of concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm just adding it to my part to get the straightest part that you have ever seen in your life, period. I'm just playing, but I got this part so straight. Y'all gonna see at the end, it was just so straight. Y'all, so this is the finished product, and y'all, get into it. Like, this is hands down my new favorite wig. Like, it is so freaking pretty and fluffy. I just love the curls. I love this wig so much. I don't even have no other words. Y'all, the hair speaks for itself at this point. If y'all want this wig, make sure you click the link in my description box. I'm gonna leave all the information down below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my future videos, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.